Hi YouTube. Today we're going to review a classic Barlow knife. This has polished horn handles, and I don't know for sure what kind of horn, but that's what they say. It has stainless steel liners, and bolsters, brass pins. This knife is made in Pakistan. It's a nice knife. It's got two blades. They don't lock, but they do snap into place very well. Large clip point blade is 2 3/4 inches long. Then it's got a smaller blade, so 1 3/4 inches long. My grandfather carried one of these for years. He'd use the big blade for everyday chores, and he'd keep the small blade sharp for splinter removal or cutting articles out of the newspaper or whatever. This knife weighs 3 ounces, which is pretty lightweight for such a big knife. The handle is comfortable. See how it tapers? Classic Barlow design. Pros for this knife: it's a good user knife. Yeah, easy to sharpen. I don't know for sure, but I believe it's 440 stainless steel. It's good for using or just keeping in your collection. Cons, unfortunately, I think for me it's too bulky to carry in my pocket. Other people might feel differently, but it's also partly because it's new. It's a little hard to open the blades. I mean, you want them to snap like that, but I don't know. I think they should be a little easier to open. But as it gets worn in, I'm sure it will get easier. The other con is fit and finish are not perfect. You can see some minor gaps. Yeah. But don't affect the performance of the knife, but I guess I'm more of a perfectionist. Also, the handles at the top of the knife, the handle scales don't quite come even with the liners. Yeah, but what do you want? It's yeah, it's a nice little $10 pocket knife. You can get it at dmknifeshop.com for $10, which includes shipping to any U.S. address. Add another $3 for international shipping, and I'll send it anywhere in the world. There you go. Classic Barlow. Thanks for watching. Peace out.